Me.
What did you do?
Bird.
Oh. Do you want something to eat?
Yeah, I want the blackberries.
You want blackberries?
Yeah, I want blackberries.
What are you doing? Those are Carly's. That's Carly's stuff.
I can just play with it.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
She said that's okay.
Yeah, Carlos. I'm gonna see my tail. Oh, it fell off.
Do something funny.
No,
Why not?
because I can't.
You can't do something funny? But you're a funny guy. Do something funny. Make a silly face at me.